Happy morning, children. We will solve question paper now. The first question is choose the correct alternative for each of the following sub questions. So here in the first question, the first sub question is what is the value of dx for solving the simultaneous equations by Kramer's rule. Now Kramer's rule I have taught you. You want to find only the value of dx. To find the value of dx, you should know the formula. What is the value to find dx? Now, how will you learn the formula? I had explained you all the shortcut method to remember the formula of dx. That is, dx means what? Determinant in x. So, how to remember this formula? Dx is equal to, what is the coefficient of x? I had told you, you should remember it like this. a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 is the first equation, and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2 is the second equation. So coefficient of x is a1, a2. Instead of that, you will write this constant c1, c2, and coefficient of y is b1, b2. Write it as it is b1, b2. So here the two equations have been given to you. So this 3 is your a1, 2 is your b1, 11 is c1. So you have to write this, and 7x minus 4y is equal to 9. This 7 is a2, minus 4 is b2, and 9 is c2. This values also you have to write. This formula also have to write. MCQ question, it looks easy, but lot of work has to be done for it. So for us, this is dx is the formula, and a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, what did we say? a1 is 3, b1 is 2, and c1 is 11. Then a2 is 7, b2 is minus 4, and c2 is 9. All these values you have to put. Cross multiply and get your answer. So here c1, c2, that is 11, 9, b1, b2, 2 minus 4, which is equal to, you have to cross multiply. 11 into minus 4 is minus 44. You write all the steps now. Minus is from the formula. 9 2s are 18. So we have got minus 44 minus 18 is minus 62. Same sign, add and put the same sign. So you have to show all the steps. 11 into minus 4, minus of 2 into 9. And then the correct answer is option C here. This is 26 minus 26, 62 and minus 62. What we got? Minus 62. So you have to write properly. Answer D, and this correct option is minus 62. D minus 62. Like that you have to write. Okay. Now the next question. What is the sum of the first 10 terms of an AP? And AP is given to you 41, 36, 31, 26. And options are given to you. So first you will write what AP is given to you. AP is 41, 36, 31, 26. Then you have to write again here the formula. What formula you will apply to get the answer? We have studied here AP. A is the first term, 41. Okay. And D means what? A is equal to 41 is nothing but T1. T1 is equal to A is equal to 41. Now because it is an AP, the difference between any two consecutive terms is Same only. Now this is T1. Second will be T2 is 36. T3 is 31. T4 is 26. So now when you will subtract T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3 will give you D. Because it is an AP, so directly you can find the value of D. What you will get the value of D? D is equal to T2 minus T1, which is equal to T2 minus T1, that is 36 minus 41, which is equal to minus 5. Here plus, here minus. Different sign, subtract, put the sign of greater number. So now you have to find sum of, how many terms are there? First 10 terms. It means n is given to you as 10. D you are already knowing it. A also you have got. So now you will apply this formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket. I'll just show it to you here. It's been solved. N upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn is 10 as I showed you. N is 10. So 10 upon 2 into bracket 2 into a is 4 plus n is 10 minus 1 into d is minus 5. Put it in bracket. Is equal to, now you have to solve all this. You will get the answer 185. In MCQ it is not expected you to show all this, but right side column you make one column workspace, therein you solve it. Okay, but while writing you have to just write the correct option with the correct value also. Both should be written. Now here, so we will get the answer 185, that you have to see here, which is 185 here, D. So correct answer D, 185. See here. Then the next is, which of the following is the value of K if one root of the quadratic equation is minus 4? Now already they have given one root is minus 4 and you have to find the value of K. If one root is minus 4, it means instead of X you have to put minus 4. So what you will get? X square is there. So instead of X you will put minus 4. Minus 4 square plus K into minus 4 minus 8 is equal to 0. So minus 4 square is 16 minus 4K minus 8 is equal to 0. 16 minus 8 is 8. So 8 minus 4K is equal to 0. Minus 4K is equal to 0 minus 8. So you will get K is equal to minus 8 upon minus 4, which is equal to 2. So here K value is given here, see 0, 4, 0 or 4, D is equal to 2. So our correct answer is D is equal to 2. Okay. The next is, this is very simple. What is the number of sample points when a coin is tossed? A coin means only one coin is tossed. If you are going to toss one coin, what you will get? Either you will get head or you will get tail. So what is the correct answer? B2. Okay. So this MCQ question, you solve it and write. That will be better. Okay. So when a coin is tossed, see there are two possibilities, either head or tail. So n of s is equal to 2. And here they had said substitute x is equal to minus 4, which I have explained you all how it should be done. Okay. So this question number 1A MCQ question, you complete it.